The new banquet hall of the government house, MAKURDI, was lit with glamour and aesthetics as the architects were first greeted with drums and trumpets by the troupe of the Benue State Arts Council. It was a sight to behold as Benue head girls assumed domination among the architects of different tribes. But more than that, some of the leading architects were decorated with the Benue attire. The purpose for which importance was attached to the decoration was unfolded by the Deputy Governor, Benson Abonu.
It's a very unique bag, and this one is way of protection. Benue State has once again gone back to what it used to be. And as architects, I'm sure a good number of you would want to have to establish business enterprises here in Benue. I want to tell you that you are most welcome. We have a very good climate. We have water running across here. We produce all the foodstuffs that are eaten by people in Nigeria.
The Deputy Governor then took titillating dance steps to indicate mastery of the art. Another phase of the gala night was the display of mouth-watering cuisines or delicacies of Benue that threw the architects scampering for which choice to make. President, Nigerian Institute of Architects, Sonny Echono, said he was overwhelmed by the reception and tremendous support by the Benue State government.
Benue State is open for tourists. Benue State is open for people of goodwill who want to come and share with the relative peace that was restored by this government.
He maintained that the memory will linger on the minds of the members of the institute. In MAKURDI, Charles Abba, NTA News.